Welcome back to another session of Anu's Kitchen. Today we are going to see a dessert variety, one of the famous dessert of West Bengal, that is Rasagulla. It requires a very simple procedure and very few ingredients are also required for it. Now let's see the preparation. Ingredients required for Rasagulla are: I have taken 1 liter of milk. Thick milk I have taken, and 300 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, required water. Let's begin the recipe. First, let me on the induction stove, and we have to take a pan. Pour 1 liter of milk. I have not added any water to it. And the milk should boil well for 10 minutes. Now the milk is boiled. Now you can switch off the flame, and we have to add little water to the lemon juice and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to the milk. Now the milk curdles. Now you can see, just see. Now we have to take a white cloth, thin white cloth, and you have to strain the milk. Now we have to drain the milk, and then we have to tie it. We have to keep it aside for 1 hour. Now the milk is completely drained. Now we have to remove this dough, and we have to put it in a plate, and you have to mix it well for 15 minutes so that it becomes very soft. Now the dough is ready. Now you can see it is very soft. Now you have to take small, you have to make small rounds out of it. Now I have rolled the dough into very small rounds. Now the next step is, we have to on the induction stove, take a pan, put the sugar. We have to make the sugar syrup for rasagullas. And I have taken 1 cup of sugar. To this I am adding 2 cups of water. The sugar should dissolve, and there is no consistency for this. It should get dissolved, and then we have to put the small rounds that we have made out of dough into the sugar syrup. Now we have to drop in the rasagulla slowly into the sugar solution, one by one. You have to keep it in high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you have to keep again in medium flame for 15 minutes. Totally, you have to cook it for about 20 minutes. It will start expanding. Now you can close it with the lid. You should not turn. Just close it with the lid. Now 20 minutes over. All the rasagullas are cooked well and it has also expanded. Now you can switch off the stove and transfer it to a bowl. The yummy rasagullas are ready. You can also try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.